Hi, this is Dave Philippi with FabCAD. Now let's take a look at the new Rtrim and Rextend commands. So I'm going to go to the gate program and generate a new gate here. I've got a 2x4 frame gate. Okay, so the scenario here is customer wants the pickets to go through, and they want the pickets in an arch above this straight section here. So I'm going to erase this dimension, draw a line from the midpoint here, say 18 inches. Okay, and I'm going to draw an arc. Okay, so now I'm going to use the rail extend command because I want to keep track of what's going on, and AutoRail can do that as long as you use these commands, and it'll update the cut list as we need it. So I'll click on rail extend and select the boundary edge, which is this arc. And then before you had to pick into each individual piece, now you can just go through and cross through, and boom, there you go. Okay. And then I'm going to erase this line here and the arc. Now, the thing is, this is a 2x4 frame, so I'm not going to try to punch through this thing. I am going to just weld these pieces on top. So I need to trim out the midsection here, then I'll update the cut list with the new parts. So now I'm going to go to the rail trim command, and I have two options, end and mid. Well, end is if you're just going to trim from one end, then you just select that and it'll give you one cut line. Mid will give you two. So it says select first boundary edge. So I'm going to pick this, and then it says select second boundary edge, and I'm going to pick that, and then I'm going to trim out in between. And all I need to do, I can do a cross, I can do a fence, and there it is. That's slick. Okay, now I do a bill of materials update. And I've added all these new parts to the cut list. That's going to come in real handy for a lot of different types of fabrications.